Hey Tuck followers, Keith here along with Jackson, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Yogabed by Marpac mattress. Now this is a 10-inch foam bed, comes with a 101 night sleep trial, ships free, and comes with a 10-year warranty. Let's take a look inside. Inside, we've got a little packet in here with a thank you and some tools for sleep. Looks like a couple of tips directly from Yogabed. Make sure to look for the law tags which hang at the head of the bed and orient it the right way. When you're ready, cut in. And here we have the Yogabed mattress. Now it looks like this guy is gonna need probably 24 to 48 hours to fully recover. It's a little bit shallow, which is to be expected. The cover has some cool shapes on it.
Yeah, interesting designs on it. Does it smell?
Smells like a foam bed. There's a little bit of off-gassing going on. Jackson, I don't know if you can smell that too.
Yeah, definitely some scent, but it should go away in, I don't know, 48 hours or so.
It does have, I'm looking for the zipper, there is a removable
There it is.
top layer of the cover that you can wash. So if you take a look at that.
Take that off.
You can wash this and you'll see underneath the various layers of foam.
So as you can see, 4-layer bed.
And a fire sock, which is what you see out here.
Yeah, what do you think that initial conforming is like?
Well, it's a fairly responsive foam bed. It's not taking too long to recover. Again, we're gonna have to wait until this thing fully expands to tell a lot more, but yeah, it does conform to your body. I'd probably put this at about a 6.5 out of 10 on the firmness scale.
I'm gonna give it a shot. Very nice and conformed, but also supportive. I feel pretty in line. Now you're putting this at a 6. I think that's pretty solid.
6.5.
Medium firm bed. Yeah, buy it. It does do a nice job absorbing you.
Speaking of motion isolation, you feel me there, Jackson, or what?
Oh, I don't feel you at all. A little bit with the bounce, but I suppose that might be the cover too.
Yeah, this thing definitely does absorb.
What do you think? Can you feel me?
I do not.
How about that? And not exactly a super strong edge, but
It's
that's
exactly
pretty standard for a mixed foam bed, so nothing too crazy there.
Yeah, edge support is gonna lack a little bit, but that's the case with a mixed foam bed usually, and as you'll see, I'm sinking down almost to the frame, which is holding me up. But you know, if I sleep, I lay down on the edge of the bed, I actually feel fine right here. And admittedly, Jackson and I fall into the average weight sleeper category, so if you were a heavier weight sleeper, you probably wouldn't feel quite as supported when sleeping close to the edge of the bed.
Yeah, you don't feel like you're gonna roll off this thing whatsoever. You feel pretty well supported. I would say you dig in a little bit too far on your side, but the back feels pretty solid.
Yeah, I would say the same thing. I think the back is the most comfortable. Stomach will probably be fine as well.
Yeah. What do you think on the stomach?
Yeah, we don't generally recommend that people sleep on their stomach because it's not super great for your neck and back, but it is comfortable enough. There you have it, guys. The Yogabed by Marpac mattress. Make sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. If you need any recommendations, go ahead and drop us a line right below the video and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. For the full written review of the mattress, check out tuck.com, and if you want exclusive discounts and pricing info, check the description below the video or visit that review I mentioned earlier. Sleep well.